Hello and welcome again to English with Rudy. Today we will learn how to use for and since in the present perfect tense. In my previous video, I explained that the present perfect tense is used to talk about how long something has happened. To watch that video, please check out the link in the description below. To help you understand for and since, I have made two sentences. The first sentence: Alice has worked in this office for 20 years. I can also say Alice has worked in this office since 2002. So in this sentence, if we use for, we are talking about the number of years Alice has worked up to now, which means it helps us understand how many years she has worked or the period of time that she has worked. On the other hand, when we use since, we are talking about when she started to work up to now. So in this example, you can see that she started to work in 2002 and she still works in this office. Let's use another example. Ron has lived in Shillong for 40 years. I can also say Ron has lived in Shillong since 1983. So if I use for, again, it means how many years Ron has lived in Shillong. He has lived for 40 years, which means it shows the period of time or the number of years he has lived. And if I say since 1983, that means he started to live in Shillong in 1983 and he still lives here now. I can use for with other words. For example, for a long time, for many years, for several years. And I can use since also with other words. For example, since last year, since December, since childhood, since he was in college. So remember, for is used to talk about the period of time, whereas since is used to talk about when the action or the event started. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for updates on new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.